Alright, so I went for a ride yesterday and this happened. I don't know if when I was putting the fairing back together I didn't tighten the screw, but yeah, I lost it. So I'm gonna go head out to Cycle Gear really quick and get a set of the windscreen screws, so I should be able to replace 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I'm gonna get the brushed black ones. And also I lost my GoPro 3 yesterday. I mounted it under my tail like an idiot. Right here, you guys can see the mount. Well, it was fine for 90% of a ride, up until the moment that I hit a bump. And then I think what happened is the rear tire hit the GoPro and just knocked it off the mount. I tried to go back and look for it, but I couldn't find it. So the sad part is that I was just getting my mic kit for the GoPro so I can vlog when I'm riding. So the mic kit is still coming, but I don't have a GoPro for it now. So yeah, working with that right now, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. So I still have my GoPro Hero 7 that I'm using. So anyhow, let's go to Cycle Gear. Doing pretty good.
What brings you in this morning?
I'm looking for those windscreen screws. It says you guys have them in stock.
Okay. Windscreen screws?
Yeah, like those bolts that go around the windscreen.
What are you looking for, sir?
Bolts that go around the windscreen, you said?
Just to mount it to the fairing. I'll show you online.
Oh, you're talking the little fairing bolts?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, we'll show you what we have. And whether it'll help you out or not, I don't know. I mean, this is all our small miscellaneous. We don't necessarily carry, we may not have exactly what you're looking for.
Okay.
That's license plate.
Let me show you online real quick, because I looked, it says you guys have them.
Yeah, I think, what kind of bike you got? I mean, I saw it, but I didn't.
SV650.
You might be better off.
Because they were like, you said you have...
I know, they're very specialized, and I'm not thinking that. I mean, this is, in the small miscellaneous bit, this is what we've got, more like push rivets, but you're looking for the little screw for the windshield.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You lost one or two on your
I lost
windshield.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, I had the same thing on, I got a Vision. I lost one on it, and I had to go to the dealership.
These. It says you guys have...
Yeah, we don't have them in the store.
It says you have them in Cycle.
Yeah, it's
the black ones, the speed metal.
Yeah, we'd have to order those for you. Now, it wouldn't be the first time I've been wrong about that stuff, but it would be here, even though just in case that we got it moved a little bit. The only other place anything along those lines would be here. Well, screw me. Here they are.
There they are. Awesome.
You know what? That's why you can't listen to me. What what color were you hoping for?
Black.
Black?
You got it right there. I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Ah,
Yeah, I lost one. I was
Yeah,
I was taking the fairing off and I put it back on. I didn't tighten it enough, so.
Oh no, I was out on a bike trip and I've got a Vision and it goes up and down. And the winch was vibrating a little more than I thought it should. I
Gotcha.
started taking a look. I had lost 2 screws.
There you go. Do you guys do you do Apple Pay or no?
Yes, we do.
You do? Okay, awesome. I have to take mine.
Yeah.
And can I get the cleaner for the helmet? You have the blue.
What are you looking for?
Just for the
shield cap?
visor.
You want a little bottle or?
If you have a bigger one, might as well, because I keep going through those.
Here's what, just for the visor, this is what I use. That's a big bottle for $29. I actually carry that around, and just for the visor, and you can use it's good for plastic.
Cleans the bugs and everything.
It cleans the bugs and everything off. That works real well.
Yeah, I've been using this one, but I have the blue.
It's great, but we're out of the actual.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll grab this one. That's cool.
Yeah, don't ever have me tell a customer we don't have something, because I'm an idiot.
Good.